Hi, the 10x friend of family. Trust you all are doing great. It's been a while on here. So today's video is one that most of you have been asking about. How much does YouTube pays its creator? Because on here we're talking about how to start up your channel, how to grow, how to be successful as a YouTuber. How much does YouTube actually pay? Now I want to show you practically how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. There's a video of mine that just that has about 1,000+ views, so we're going to use it to see how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. Now you need to understand something, guys. There are factors that determines how much YouTube pays its creators, right? There are factors that determine that. Number one factor that determines is how much advertisers are willing to pay. Before you make money on YouTube, advertisers actually paid YouTube to place adverts on these videos. Advertisers like Apple, advertisers like Toyota, advertisers like Alibaba. Think about all the adverts you've been seeing. Maggie, no, I know you've seen loads of advertisers here on YouTube because you see those ads, right? Now these advertisers, before they place their ad, they usually pay YouTube, right? Now it depends on how much advertisers are willing to pay to place ad on your videos. That will determine how much you will make. Another factor that determines is your location, right? Where are majority of your views coming from? Now I am a Nigerian-based content creator or a Nigerian-based YouTuber, and majority of my views are from Nigerian audience. From my Nigerian audience, I am not making that much money compared to another Nigerian content creator that has his or her views coming from the US. I mean, that person will make more money compared to myself. Do you understand this factor? Another factor that determines how much you will make or how much YouTube will pay you is your niche. You need to understand that some niches have high RPM while some have low RPM and both CPM. RPM simply means your revenue per 1,000 views. How much YouTube is paying you for every 1,000 views you get on your video. Do you understand? That's your RPM. Now your niche can determine if your RPM will be high or low. If you are creating content around finance, around investments, around travel, around what else, you're going to be making more because YouTube pays more in these particular niches. But if you're creating content around comedy, all these comedy skits or lifestyle, your RPM will be lower. Do you get me? So your type of video or the niche determines how much YouTube will pay you. This is just few. There are other factors as well, but without wasting any of your time, guys, I want to just take you straight to my phone, to my analytics directly, so I'll show you, just have an idea of what YouTube pays, right? Remember, I am a Nigerian-based content creator based in Nigeria, so my own money might be a little bit small compared to somebody that is based in the US. So let's do this. I will share my phone screen with you all so you can follow through. So this is a video I have on my channel, and you can see that this video has about 1,439 views. Can you see it? It's above 1,000, 1,439. Now when you scroll down, you will see that there are different ways by which viewers got to see this video. The first traffic source there is YouTube recommendation. That is to say, YouTube actually recommended my videos to people. YouTube is helping me push this video. This is what you want. I remember telling you guys in one of my videos that if you want to go viral on YouTube fast, you need to ensure that you're doing all you can for YouTube to recommend your video. And what will you do for YouTube to recommend your video? Your title, your metadata, your title, your thumbnail. Do you understand me? Your title, your thumbnail, your description. Make sure everything is intact. Then YouTube can start recommending your video. If YouTube recommends your video and they see that people are actually clicking to watch, they will keep recommending it, because it's signaling to them that people are interested in your video. So I got loads of views from recommendation, a few from YouTube features, a few from notification, that is from subscribers that turned on their notifications, and then from other channels as well. Now let's look at the reach. I have gotten about 22.1k impression, right? Impression click-through rate is quite low for this number of impression. I mean, can you see the impression CTR, which is your click-through rate, is low. It's just about 4.9. For some of my videos, you'll see the CTR to be around 7. That is high. That is to say, once YouTube recommends the video, people are clicking, but here just a few, about 8,400 have clicked, right? That's the views you're seeing here. Now we have gotten a lot of subscribers from this particular video. The average watch time is 60. Now from this video, we've gotten 28 subscribers. Yes, 28 subscribers from one single video. Can you see that? And you can see here, when you scroll down, you can see the age bracket of people that are watching your videos, and then you can see the gender, male and female. You can see the top geographics, the locations where these views are coming from. You can see that majority of my viewers are Nigerian based. Do you understand? And then I have a few percent, about 6.8, from United States, from India. India has low RPM, so you can see where my viewers are coming from. And most of the people watching are not subscribed. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can see about 67.9% of people that watch this video are not subscribed to our channel. Let's go to the main thing, the revenue. Now, since publishing this video, it has gotten just about $3. You may be asking, wow, this is low, this is too small. $3 is quite small. When you scroll down, you will see the RPM. I told you guys earlier that RPM means the revenue per 1,000 views. So RPM here is about 3.30. YouTube are paying me exactly 3.30 for every 1,000 views. And the CPM on this video is also low, 3.84. That is, advertisers are paying this amount, and from 3.84, YouTube is giving me something good, 3.3. Did you see it? Now you need to understand that not everybody that watches your video will watch the ad on your video, because the only way we make money as YouTuber is when people watch videos and then they watch your ads. Most people, when they are watching videos, they are very fast to skip ads. They skip your ad. Once they skip that ad, I mean, you're not getting any much from that. So it is only when people watch your videos, they watch through the ads that are placed on your videos. That's when you tend to see money. Do you understand? So different factors actually determine. Now you may be asking, is it really worth it to start creating content and depend solely on the YouTube revenue? One thing is sure, guys, if you're creating content, your focus shouldn't be YouTube revenue, how much YouTube will pay you. Your focus should be on the long-term goal. What do you want to gain as a content creator? One thing you should be aiming at is visibility. Visibility is the new oil money. If you're visible as a content creator, if people know you, trust me, that is when you will start making more money. So it is not just the peanuts that YouTube is paying you, but visibility will pay you more, because when you are visible, people will see you, people will know you. And when people see you and know you, number one, you'll be able to sell your skill. You'll be able to sell that skill you have. Let's say you are a tailor. Let me use tailor as an example. Let's say you are a tailor, you know how to sew very well, and you are creating content on YouTube. People are seeing your handwork, people are seeing what you're doing. Guess what? You'll be getting customers from maybe the abroad and even Nigeria. You will get customers just because you're creating content. That is one. Number two, you can decide to host an online training. You can decide to host an online training that you want to teach people how to sew. People will register for your training. You can decide that you want to sell a course. Maybe you want to teach people how to sew corsets very well. You package that knowledge you have as a course, as a video course. You will sell it and people will buy. That is where you make money. Or you are into skincare, right? And you know, as somebody that understands skincare very well, you want to teach people how to take care of their skin, you sell a course, people will buy. Or you want to join an affiliate program and you're recommending their products, people will buy through your link. You make money through affiliate marketing just because you're creating content on YouTube. You're into skincare, brands will want to work with you. Maybe Nivea company will, you know, send you an email that they want to work with you. They want you to talk about their product. Just because you're reviewing different skincare products, they might send you their product. They want you to, you know, talk about their product and recommend it to your audience. They will pay you for this, not small money. Oh. They will pay you hundreds of thousands to do this for them. Or let's say you're creating content around tech. You review different tech products, phones, AirPods, mics. You review different tech products. You'll be surprised. Different tech companies will start sending you stuff for you to review their products, for you to make a video about their products. You make money with this. You can decide to even sell your own product. I mean, when it comes to content creator, trust me that it is a door that opens up to so many advantages. So don't just look at what you're getting from revenue. What you're getting from revenue is like this compared to what you're going to get when you are visible. Just try to be consistent, grow your channel, post relevant videos, because you don't know who is seeing your video. You don't know who is watching. You might just post one video today and one big company will see it and they would love to work with you. I have worked with lots of companies, both Nigeria and abroad. They will tell you they want to collaborate with you. They want you to make a video about their product and they pay you for it. You are a lifestyle content creator. Don't give up. Keep pushing. The aim is for you to be visible, for people to see you, for people to, you know, recognize your brand when they see you. Guys, visibility is the thing. Visibility is your focus. You want to be visible. And you're visible, making money from other means, and then YouTube is paying you every month. It is not, you are not losing out. It is a win-win, all-round win-win. So content creation is really worth it. It is, absolutely it is. So start your own content creation journey today. Here on this channel, you get lots of videos that will teach you how to get started, how to create your channel with your smartphone, of course, how to create videos, how to post, things you need to put in place. I'll leave a video here on the screen that will show you how to create your channel from scratch. So I'll see you over here. End of video.